All right, scholars, so you've been doing an amazing job with all of our reviews and our lessons for math. Again, this is our first review before we start our lesson. So we've been talking about comparing our numbers. And remember, we have three symbols we use to compare our numbers. Anyone remember what those three symbols are? We do have equal to, and that's when the numbers are what? The same. What else? What are our other two ones? Greater than, so the number is bigger, and what's the opposite of the greater than, the bigger one? Right, less than. So these are our three symbols that we've been working with. Greater than, less than, equal to. And remember, the mouth wants to eat which number? Right, the bigger number. All right, so let's do a couple review problems and then we'll get started in our lesson. So your first one, we're comparing 12 and 12. So what symbol do we need to put when our numbers are the same? Right, they are equal to. So 12 is equal to 12. All right, here's our next one. We're comparing 18 to 19. Okay, so we know that it's not equal because they're not the same number. So what symbol will we use? Our less than. So which way is my mouth going to be facing? Right, the 19 because it's bigger. So our less than symbol looks like this. The mouth is eating my bigger number. So it says 18 is less than 19. Keep up the great work. All right, our next two numbers we're comparing is 17 to 11. So what will we do here? 17 is bigger, so our mouth's going to eat our 17. So this would say 17 is greater than 11. All right, let's try two more problems. Okay, we're comparing 16 to 13. So what are we going to do here? We're going to say 16 is greater than 13, 16 is less than, or 16 is equal to 13. Right, it's greater than, so which way is my mouth going to face? Right, the 16. So 16 is greater than 13. All right, let's try one more. Our last one, we're comparing 11 to our number 15. So what are we going to say? 11 is greater than 15, 11 is less than 15, or 11 is equal to 15? Right, it's less than, it's smaller, so our mouth's going to eat which number? Right, the 15. So this would say 11 is less than 15. Awesome job with your review. Now it's time to get started on our lesson.